Okay, thanks. So I'd like to give you the kind of key differences between the Nokia Lumia 520 and the Nokia Lumia 620. So first of all, as you can see, the design is different. So the 620 is slightly more compact with a 3.8-inch clear back display, while as the Nokia Lumia 520 has a 4-inch display, and the design is slightly different. And of course, in Nokia Lumia 620 we have the dual-layer polycarbonate shell. So you have two layers of material molded together, which have different colors, and they are translucent, which means that the kind of you get this really nice depth effect as well on the device. What else? Then from the hardware processor point of view, we have the same 1 GHz processor. The storage is the same. It's a dual-core Snapdragon processor. Same amount of RAM, 512 megabytes. Same amount of storage, so 8 GB of storage in both. And then you have the micro SD card slot as well in both. Then of course the Nokia Lumia 520 is a little bit more affordable device than the 620, and therefore, for example, the front camera has been left out from the 520, and 620 has a front camera.
Okay.
Then,
how about the back cameras? Are they similar?
Back camera is similar in terms of megapixels, so 5 megapixel autofocus, but 620 has flash and 520 doesn't have flash.
Okay.
Then another difference is that Nokia Lumia 620 has NFC, 520 does not have the NFC. Then on the experiences side, there are some small differences there as well. So for example, in the HERE experience side, the Nokia Lumia 620 has the Nokia City Lens, the augmented reality application, which one because Nokia Lumia 520 there's no compass, you don't have that, but otherwise you have also the rich HERE services offering in the Nokia 520. So you have maps, drive, and transit.
Okay, so all the basic applications are available on the 520 as well.
Yeah, so we have the Office, we have Nokia Music, we have the same camera lenses like Cinemagraph, Smart Shoot, and Panorama in both products.
Okay. Anything else besides that?
Well, I mean, I don't have the. It's better you check the exact detailed specifications from Nokia.com, but I think these were the main differences.
Okay, thank you very much.